Hello everyone, welcome this channel @Amal Asartha.
Today we will learn Cinderella helps. Identify words with the given sounds. So let's begin.
And first of all, touch the heartbeat and start the session.
Cinderella,
Cinderella,
the new maid.
The new maid.
Cinderella used to live in an attic and do household chores, but now she was married to the prince. Her life had changed overnight, and she was still getting used to living in the palace. She would wake up bright and early and make her bed before the maids came in.
Content should be
Some afternoons, she would invite the maids to join her for tea and crumpets. But they would smile and hurry away to do their duties. Over breakfast one day, she turned to the prince and said, "I want to make sure the servants are happy working here, but I can't seem to get any of them to talk to me." Later that morning, Cinderella had an idea.
Cinderella.
She stepped into a costume closet and dressed herself up as one of the maids. She hoped that they would talk to her if they couldn't tell that she was their princess. Words such as chores, bright, and crumpets have a few letters that make specific sounds. Let's learn about words with these sounds and find out how Cinderella planned to help the palace servants.
Just practice on this topic.
Tap the words that begin with the tur sound. Throne, tray, trunk, teapot, trash, torch.
Trash. Trunk. Trash.
Well done. Tray,
Thank
trunk,
you.
and trash begin with the tur sound.
True sound.
Tap the words that begin with the sh sound.
Sound.
Shine, shirt, shield, steal, sweep, spoon. That's right. Shine, shirt, and shield begin with the sh sound.
Sound. Wow.
Tap the words that begin with the ch sound. Chain, throne, chair, crown, chest, shoes.
Chain. Chest.
Right again. Chain,
Thank
chair, and chest begin with the ch sound.
Chair. Chair. See the sound of group of letters CH. Chair. Chair.
The servants do not recognize Princess Cinderella because of her disguise. They think that she is new to the castle and start talking to her. Let's practice some more words while Cinderella talks to the staff. Tap the letters in the correct order to spell the word tray.
T-R-A-Y.
That's correct.
Tray.
Tray is spelled T-R-A-Y. Tap the letters in the correct order to spell the word chair.
Chair. C-H-A.
Good job. Chair is spelled C-H-A-I-R.
Thank you.
Disguised as a maid, Cinderella talked to the servants and found that they were quite happy already. But a few small changes could still make a big difference. Cinderella went to see the king and the Grand Duke. She told them about the small things that they could do to keep the royal staff happy.
Happy.
That afternoon, called all the maids and servants and held up her disguise.
That afternoon, she called all the maids and servants and held up her disguise.
I was wearing this, and I worked alongside you, she explained.
Hey, look.
She announced that the king had agreed to make some changes.
Wow.
She even invited the staff to the royal ball. At the ball, the servants smiled happily as they joined in the dancing.
At the ball, the servants smiled happily as they joined in the dancing.
They were growing quite fond of their new princess.
Thank you for watching this session to the end. Let's subscribe, like, share. Bye-bye. See you soon.